Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Griffin, Saskatchewan, a small community set among the wide open fields of the province's southeast. This peaceful prairie town was first established in the early 1900s when the railway expanded through the area. Griffin quickly became a service point for local farmers, and its history is tied closely to agriculture. The town was named after Arthur Griffin, an early railway official who played a role in developing the line here. The surrounding farmland produces grains and canola, which have supported families here for generations. You'll still find traces of its past in the old grain elevators and historic buildings. Today, Griffin remains a quiet stop with plenty of prairie charm. The open skies and golden fields capture the heart of rural Saskatchewan. Whether you are passing through or looking to explore the beauty of small-town life, Griffin is a welcoming place to pause and enjoy the view. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Griffin, Saskatchewan.
Thanks for watching!